Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 60 Neo, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we need to scroll and find apps. Then let's tap on See All Apps, and this is the list of all updates of all apps that are currently installed on this device. And what I recommend to do is to go through them and remove cache. Cache are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere and cause some temporary glitches, and obviously they are occupying some memory. So all you need to do is to tap on the app and tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. As you can see, your device will immediately remove it. Unfortunately, there is no automatic way to do it, so you need to do it manually. And I also do not recommend using any kind of third-party apps that claim to be able to remove the app's cache, because even though they can, probably, they are also quite predatory and they can gather a lot of information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.